Dahil no smoking month ngayong Hunyo, dapat lang na maging aware tayo mga bes sa masasamang epekto ng paninigarilyo at paggamit ng vape sa ating kalusugan. Kaya tara, pakinggan natin ang mensahe ng ilan sa ating health champions mula sa local government units na talaga namang kampyon ng kalusugan.
Magandang araw po. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Labol Merrick M. Acosta, Mayor ng Oroqueta City, the capital of Misamis Occidental, here in Region 10, Mindanao. Ang lungsod ng Oroqueta bilang aktibong miyembro ng Smoke-Free Cities Asia-Pacific Network ay patuloy at buong pusong nakikiisa sa pagdiriwang ng No Smoking Month. Like many local government units in the Philippines, we are relentless in our campaign for no smoking, no vaping here in our city. We advocate healthier and smoke-free lifestyles for our people dahil walang kaduda-duda ang mapaminsalang dulot ng sigarilyo at vape. Here in Oroqueta, we push for total ban on smoking and vaping in public places. This is well aligned in the country's goal of becoming smoke-free and vape-free Philippines. This is a very ambitious goal, but we believe that it can be successfully done with the support of all stakeholders, lalong-lalo na ng mga kabataan at ng buong komunidad. We are all in this together for a better and healthier Pilipinas. Mabuhay and God bless!